trucks of illegal timber seized in Karbi Anglong, Meghalaya border. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jirbon Kilingpi bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. In the news coming from West Karbi Anglong, 3 trucks carrying illegal timber were seized from the border area. The trucks were seized from Rongparkong area under Jirikinde. The incident took place on Wednesday. Based on the confirmed information received from its sources, the local officials of the Forest Department came into action and seized the 3 trucks fully loaded with timbers. The trucks with the registration number ML04-09436, ML04-5662 and AS02CC2240 were brought to the forest office. However, the drivers and the persons involved in the smuggling managed to escape before the forest officials could catch them. Forest officials informed that the price of the seized timber in open market could be around 1 to 1.5 lakhs rupees.
ধন্যবাদ আমি যোৱাকালি অফিসত সিটিঙত থাকোঁতে আমাৰ অনাৰেবল ৰেঞ্জ অফিচাৰ ডাঙৰীয়াই আমাক ফোন কৰি জনালে আৰু একজেক্ট লোকেশ্যন দিছিলে তেখেতে আৰু তেখেতে কোনোবা এটা মানে একদম নিৰ্ভৰযোগ্য সূত্ৰৰ পৰা তেখেতে খবৰ পাইছে সেইমতে আমাক পঠালে আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা 11:30মান বজাত প্ৰচিড কৰিছোঁ তাত আমি 2টাৰ পৰা 2:30টাৰ ভিতৰত বা 2:30টাত আমি তাত গাড়ী ডিটেক্ট কৰিছোঁ আপোনাৰ জৰিংগনৰ পৰা অলপ গৈ ৰংফাৰকং বুলি কয় জেগাটো হিজিংলাংচু এৰিয়া পৰি যায় তাত আমি 2খন গাড়ী একেলগে ডিটেক্ট কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছোঁ।
The heart of the matter now is despite several forest beat and range offices being set up in the border areas, smugglers are still daring to carry out their job. Even in the past, there have been quite a number of vehicles carrying illegal timber being intercepted, but till that, no smugglers have been apprehended by the Forest Department or the police forces. As such, there is a big suspicions are lurking in the minds of the public that either the forest officials are hesitating to take stern actions or the local public is involved in the selling of the forest trees. Meanwhile, the local forest officials have urged upon the people involved in the smuggling of timber that they should stop the trade immediately in order to protect the greenery and environment of the district. He said that it is now right time for the present generation to act strongly or else the future generations will have to suffer heavily.
আকৌ আজিও সেইখিনি এৰিয়াৰ মানুহখিনিক মই অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ আপোনালোকে আমাৰ এই সেউজী শ্যামলা ধুনীয়া কাৰ্বি আংলংখনক যাতে আপোনালোকে বিকৃতি নকৰে যাতে মৰুভূমিত পৰিণত নকৰে গতিকে আজিৰ প্ৰজন্মই যদি আমি চিন্তা নকৰোঁ অহাকালি পৰহি কিন্তু চিন্তা কৰিব সময় নাপাম তেতিয়া আমাৰ সময় পাৰ হৈ যাব গতিকে যিসকল ব্যক্তিতা জড়িত হৈ আছে মই বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ আপোনালোকে এই বৃত্তিটো এৰি দিয়ক ইয়াৰ বাহিৰেও আৰু বহুত কাম আছে থেংক ইউ
Mohan Teron's report from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. The 52nd Foundation Day of CPIML was observed at Harmon Club in Phuloni today. The day was also marked as a completion of 52nd year of statehood movement by the party. The 52nd Foundation Day program of the CPIML, organized by the Bakalia District CPIML, was chaired by Bokolia District General Secretary Samson Kiling and was graced as chief guest by District Party's leader Robi Kumar Phangjo. Speaking on the occasion, leader of the party extended greetings to its members and supporters and also lauded for their continued service and commitment towards the party's commitment. While reasserting and claiming that they are the only party which started the statehood movement, the party leaders claimed that their party would continue until the long-pending political aspiration of the districts is not fulfilled. Party leader also claimed that the hill districts would grant statehood if voted to power. In addition to this, party leaders expressed confidence over poll result and claimed that they would win all of the MLA seats in the recently concluded Assam State Assembly election, whose result would be declared on May 2. Dirchuna Rongpi's report from Tarabasa for Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another success of the Bogajan police, 25 soap cases containing intoxicating drugs were recovered by them on Thursday. The police had once again been able to foil the plan of the smugglers. Here is a short report from our correspondent. On Thursday afternoon, acting on a tip-off, a trap was laid by the police and accordingly, at about 12:30 p.m., 2 persons were apprehended in front of Rajdhani restaurant under Khatkati police station along with 25 soap cases of heroin weighing total 318 grams. The arrested persons have been identified as 42 years old Nagindra Mahato, son of Ram Kishore Mahato, resident of Gorapati under East Dimapur police station, and his companion from the same place identified as 25 years old man named Bablu Kumar, son of Anirudh Purve. The narcotic substances were being transported through an auto rickshaw bearing registration number NL07 F9817. The search operation was carried out under the leadership of SDPO Bokajan John Das APS, assisted by CI Barbatar Inspector Bhupen Kalita, OC Khatkati SI UB Moblik Brahma, SI UB Charan Mohan Chetia, SI UB Mridal Rudra Pol and staff. According to the police, to successfully complete the operation, SI Charan Mohan Chetia, UBC Latifur Hazarika, and ABC Bandhuram Basumatari, the PSO of SDP, were in the front in camouflage of buyers to attract the smugglers to the trap. SDPO John Das has praised their role in the operation. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.